Day 2, back to the siding, so you can see what we accomplished yesterday with this. I'm not going to show what we're doing right now, but I'll make a video at the end of the day. But this is the courtyard, and it's finally starting to come together. I think it's looking really nice. Very, very happy with it. So once we are done today, you guys will get to see the finished product. Well, almost finished, I guess, of the Hobbs House restoration. Just coming out great. I'm very, very pleased. This house was falling apart. It should have been torn down. It was ready to be torn down. The city of Eastport was gonna condemn it and tear it down 2 weeks before we actually started renovation. So we got lucky. Jim bought it and decided to fix it. It's a whole different place now. The bones are new on this wall and this wall. All the sheathing is all brand new, 1/2-inch zip. It's all insulated now, and it has a clapboard with a 4-inch reveal on the back. The windows have yet to be all redone. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 that have been redone, and 1, 2, 3 that don't need to be redone. So I guess, and then there's 3 that need to be redone. But it's all gonna get done over time, and it's starting to look great. Thanks for watching, guys.